Hi, welcome my friend. The GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer offers a timeless, easy-to-use kitchen essentials, perfect for everyday baking needs. With 7 optimized speeds and 5.3-quart capacity, this mixer is engineered for tackling hundreds of tasks, from cookies to fettuccine dente. The powerful 350-watt motor and robust die-cast metal construction means this mixer can handle your largest holiday patches. Tilt-back head, which automatically secures upon closure for added peace of mind. Soft start motor eases the mixer into a powerful performance, no matter which speed you choose. Use your current mixer attachments, including KitchenAid and other third-party accessories, so you have the versatility you need to make what's good. Components include 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl with handle, coated flatbed beater, coated dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shields. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.